Cheez-Its have been a favorite of mine for a long time. I had to make my own. These definitely pack that crunch and cheese flavor. So first, preheat the oven to 325. We're gonna shred up an 8-ounce block of cheese. Then add half a teaspoon of salt, 1/4 cup cube of unsalted butter, and blend that up. Then I'll add 2 tablespoons of cold milk, blend it some more, and it should be doughy when you squeeze it together. From there, dump that onto a lightly floured sheet and start to roll it out. Don't copy my technique, it's definitely not the best. Now it should look nice and flat. Then you want to cut it into your cubes. Make sure you don't make them too big. Make sure it's flat because they do puff up. I use a skewer here to poke holes through the middle. Get your parchment paper covered pan ready. Lay the Cheez-Its out, salt them one last time because it won't stick after they bake. We're gonna bake it for about 10 to 15 minutes on 325. Make sure you keep looking at it. It should be golden, crispy, and crunchy.